Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Amazon by shipping integration for order tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify Amazon by shipping integration for order tracking, start by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the settings menu located on the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Shipping Settings from the drop-down options. Within the shipping settings, locate the By Shipping section. Check if your By Shipping integration is enabled. If it's not enabled, click on the Edit button to configure it. Follow the prompts to connect your shipping provider. Once connected, you will see an option to add tracking information automatically. Verify that the tracking information is being generated properly. To do this, place a test order in your seller account. Once the order is placed, proceed to the Manage Orders section. Find your test order in the list and click on it to view its details. Scroll down to the Shipping Confirmation area. Here, you should see the tracking number automatically populated. If the tracking number is present, your integration is successfully verified. If not, double-check your integration settings for any errors. Consider relinking your shipping provider if issues persist. Once verified, you can return to normal operations with confidence in order tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.